Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the logo on your Shopify store, so let's get right into it. Now, once you're on your dashboard, what you're going to want to do is go into Online Store, and that's going to take you directly to the Themes page. Once this loads, it'll show you the currently selected theme. In my case, it is Dawn, and I'm just going to go ahead and use it and click Customize. Now, once you click Customize, you'll get to this preview page right here. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to locate the logo of your site or of your store. Now, usually it's going to be in the header. You can add blocks if you want to. You can add a logo over here. For example, if I added a block over here, you can search for blocks, and I don't know, image might be a block that I can add, and as you can see, no theme blocks found, but you can add another section, and here you can just select a section for the header if you want to. You can make an announcement bar as well if you want to again, or you can go into theme settings and go into logo, and as you can see here, you can change your logo as well. Now, what you're going to want to do here is you're going to click select image or explore free images if you want to have a free logo from Shopify themselves. However, if you click select image, you're going to need to find the file on your computer, and once you click that and upload it, it's just going to upload the logo to your site, and that's pretty much all you need to do. If you already have a logo, you just need to change the image in the same way, and that should be pretty much it. You also have the option to connect to dynamic sources, so whenever you change the source, it'll change here automatically without the need for you to do anything manually. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.